So crypto taxes are something that we are all extremely interested in and probably worried about and stressing about and like, what the heck do we need to do here? So number one, I am not a tax professional. This is not crypto tax advice. Please contact somebody in where you live in your local state or what have you to learn more. But I want to talk to you about a few things. Number one, the only legal way to opt out of crypto taxes. Yes, you heard me right. Okay, there's one way that you can do that. We're going to talk about that in a minute. And secondly, the scenarios around how or why you will be taxed on crypto profits. So real quickly, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Okay, so let's talk about the number one, the lead story here. So right here, the only way to opt out of crypto taxes, to avoid crypto taxes, if you will. All right, now this is here in the United States. If you don't live in the U.S., if you live somewhere else globally, I would definitely tell you to ask a tax professional in your local country, wherever it is that you live, about this to see if there's something like this. So the only way to opt out here in the United States to avoid, crypto taxes is to use an IRA, okay, which is an individual retirement account, okay? So generally, an IRA allows Americans to save their retirement by holding cryptocurrency assets. Yes, did you know this? You can, you can hold crypto assets in your IRA, okay? They are, and an IRA is designed in a way to reduce taxes and return incentivized savings for retirements. Although both traditional and Roth IRAs do not allow cryptocurrency holding, users can still add it under the quote property accords. Okay, if that was like Greek or alien, what I just was said to you, my advice is real simple. If you're here in the United States, talk to a tax professional or somebody who may be a little bit more in the know, or maybe even, YouTube it, go, how do I add crypto into an IRA? You'll find, I guarantee you, some videos and some information on that, okay? But yes, you can add it right here under, quote, the property accords in your IRA. And that is a way that you can avoid taxes. Now, IRAs have caps on them, how much you can contribute, things of that nature, depending upon there's some variables. Again, talk to a tax professional, okay, get some more insight. My goal is just to make you aware that this is an option, okay? So there you go. Secondly, beyond that, on what grounds are cryptocurrencies taxed? Here it is, guys, okay? If you create profit on a buy or sell or a swap, okay, you owe taxes. Period. End of story. Don't shoot the messenger. All right. I'm just trying to let you kind of help you navigate these waters. Okay. So if you bought Cardano on December 1 of 2021 and you bought it for $1, and at the end of December, on December 31st, 2021, if you sold it for $1.30, just making up those numbers, you generated a profit, and you're going to owe taxes on that profit that you made. In this case, let's say 30 cents per token you owned. Okay, that's number one. Number two, if you have cryptos in a decentralized wallet, like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or things like that, yes, if you do swaps and you've made profits there, you're gonna owe taxes. Okay, if you're like, hey, I can hide it because it's a MetaMask or a Trust Wallet, that's your business. But me, I'm reporting everything. Okay, so if you make profits on a swap, like let's say that you swapped Ethereum for something else and you generated profits, when you sold, things of that nature. Okay, you're gonna owe any time that there is a profit mechanism that's generated either on a buy, a sell, a trade, a swap, whatever it is, you owe taxes, guys. Okay, it's really pretty simple. All right, my stance is real simple. I report everything because I don't want to run the risk of an audit. And frankly, if I do get audited, I can say, here's all my records, here's everything, here it is, guys. Here you go, okay? Because the truth of the matter is if you get audited by the IRS or maybe wherever you live in the country you live in, the odds are this. Let's say that the audit might not come for 3 years from now. You might get audited 3 years from now on 2021 taxes. Well, guess what? If they find something and you've been trying, if you've hid something, or whatever that situation was, right? Then you're going to owe interest and penalties on over that 3 years. Okay, so my stance is I might as well just pay, do the right thing, right? I'm not happy about that. I mean, taxes, they suck. Let's just call it what it is. But I'd rather not run the risk and be able to sleep at night, not worried about the IRS showing up at my door and doing an audit, and I was trying to hide something that I did 3 years ago, and then they find it, and now I owe interest, I owe penalties. The odds are the what you would owe in interest and penalties off of what you're trying to hide, or whatever it is, right, in that situation, are going to be way more than just paying the taxes that you owe today. That's really all my point. And my goal is real simple. I want to help you guys navigate these waters, especially maybe these crypto waters, as it relates to taxes and things like that nature. And I'll continue to bring you content on a daily level, as much as I possibly can related to crypto taxes. So my stance was to help you kind of navigate this. So with all that said, thank you truly for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. If you're interested, link in the description to my Patreon group. Check it out. Members only weekly live streams. Talk about and unveil brand new tokens, brand new opportunities. We were early into Solana, Polkadot, Axie Infinity, Shiba Inu, Saitama, Clifford Inu, a bunch of them. Check that out. Links in the description below to my Patreon. Would love to see you. By the way, you can direct message me, things of that nature. I'll see you later. Go make some money. Take it easy. Bye. Crypto taxes. All right. See you. Bye.